Cask Ale is the lifeblood of the British beer industry and a vital part of our country's culture. It was only a few decades ago that it was all we drank in our pubs, but in the last decade or so, it's been in serious, sometimes double-digit decline. 3 years ago, we made a 5-part documentary exploring the British cask ale scene, through its rich history and traditions, to the modern challenges and opportunities it faces. Inspired but also concerned about its future, in the last episode we came up with an ambitious plan: to lead a campaign to get cask recognised by UNESCO as Intangible Heritage. Since then, we've been working hard behind the scenes to gather support and lobby politicians and interest groups. But we've also been collecting the evidence we'll need to present to UNESCO when the time comes. Evidence in the form that we know best: film. So in association with some fantastic beer businesses, we're thrilled to present Series 2 of Keep Cask Alive. Join us as we explore the history and variety of bitter, the barley harvest and green hop season, the power of your local pub, exciting new hop varieties, the incredible story of isinglass and sparklers, and lots more, starting this February on YouTube's Craft Beer channel.